Hello everyone, good day, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to add the core network. Let's say for instance you're trying to make a submission for your wallet. In our case right now, currently we have this airdrop that we have just concluded of recently, the CTO token. So right now we're trying to add our wallet to that platform Satoshi app. Okay, go over to the description and then just go ahead and follow that link. You can go ahead and just do this in a few steps. Once you go to the description, copy the link there and come over to your Metamask. When you come over to Metamask, go over to this browser option, this browser section here, click on it, and once you click on it, let me just go ahead and open a new tab so that you guys can actually get to see. Go ahead and just go ahead and paste the link. This is going to be the link, but you have to cross check to know if it's going to be the same. Okay, once you've done that, click on go, and it's actually going to like open up the this chain link for you. Okay, helping the users to connect to EVM powered networks. Go ahead right now, you can scroll the way up, you can see core blockchain mainnet. Make sure you correspond this chain ID and then just go ahead and just click on add to Metamask. When you click on add to Metamask, mind you can do this on both the PC and the mobile version, but you know majority of the people are mostly on the mobile version. And if you can do this on your mobile version, doing it on your computer would just be a breeze. Okay, go ahead and just check out the currency symbol, the block explorer, and very importantly the network URL. Make sure you are seeing exactly what you can see on my screen right now. Once you're done, go ahead and click on confirm. When you hit confirm, then you can go ahead and do switch network. Okay, when you switch the network right now, it's going to actually take you now to the core blockchain mainnet. Click on got it. Okay, right now if I go to my wallet, this part, click on the wallet, you can see that the core blockchain mainnet has actually added up to my wallet. Then what you need to do right now is just to go ahead and copy the wallet address and go ahead and input it on the Satoshi app. Alright guys, so that's going to be everything about adding your wallet, adding the network, which is going to be the core blockchain network, to your Metamask. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. Check the description to join our Telegram channel where I talk about $0 airdrop or very minimal dollar airdrop, which will cost you sometimes probably just a gas fee. Okay, don't forget to join the Telegram channel so you can be I can keep you guys updated on the stuff that's happening in the airdrop space, the crypto space. See you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day and peace out.